Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements. Your laptop must run Windows 10 with Miracast support, and the display needs wireless display capability. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. Disable VPNs and guest isolation because they block discovery. Next, open Action Center, click Project, then select Connect to a wireless display. This starts device scanning. You do this now because discovery is the gate. Without it, you cannot progress to pairing and screen sharing. Once your display appears, select its name. You may need to accept pairing on the TV or dongle. After pairing, choose a projection mode. Duplicate mirrors content. Extend gives extra desktop space. Second screen only turns off the laptop screen. Make sure to check display settings for resolution and scaling because mismatched DPI causes blurry text. Also, switch audio output to the mirrored device via sound settings if you want sound on the TV, and test a short video to confirm both video and audio. To finish, stop mirroring from Action Center by clicking Disconnect or simply close the Connect app on the receiving device. If things go wrong, update your Wi-Fi and display drivers and install Windows updates because outdated drivers often break Miracast. If discovery still fails, restart the router, toggle airplane mode on the laptop, and try reconnecting. As a last resort, use a direct HDMI cable. Wired connections bypass wireless discovery issues and prove whether the problem is network.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.